Hello. So it's day two of my Gone in 30 Days challenge, which Andy Winskill set me. And I want to talk about two things today. First is something that I learned from Andy, which is to embrace the jank. You can probably hear the lawnmower going in the backyard and my kids running around playing. It's Saturday afternoon on a lovely Pacific Northwest summer day. The second thing that I wanted to talk about is a tool that I have been using for the past few months to aid us in storyboarding. The deliverables from the workshops that we do when we're doing open innovation. And that tool is called Storyboarder, and you can easily find it by searching on the web using your favorite search engine. And what I've been doing is using that to really quickly generate low fidelity storyboards that get across the gist of what we are trying to tell in the stories that come out of our inclusive design workshops. And it's great because it allows you to import 3D models, position them, position the cameras, position the lights, and get this scene set up very, very quickly. There's default poses, there's skeletons for different sized people. You can change all that stuff, you can change the gender. It's great. And it's really quick to use and it's repeatable. So we've not managed to use it yet on a engagement, but it's something I've been playing with. It's something I've been honing my skills on to try and get as quick as I can with it. And another tool that I've been using to integrate with that is an add-in to VS Code, which allows you to format scripts. It's called Fountain. It's a markdown language. It's very, very similar to GitHub Markdown and normal Markdown, that allows you to just type away and it will produce something in script format. And the reason that we use this is because you can import it into Storyboarder, and from that it will generate you your scenes and your shots, and it's much easier to kind of get going than it would be just starting from scratch. So I invite you to kind of check it out and see whether or not it's a tool that you might find useful too. As I said, you can just do a quick search for Storyboarder and Fountain scripts, and inside the VS Code marketplace as well, and you can find all that information. And I'll put some of the links down below in the description too. So signing off for day two. Thank you very much, and cut.